How to fix incoming call busy on iPhone. Let's get started. Firstly, open your control center. Now make sure you haven't enabled focus mode. After you check this, now let's jump into the solutions. Open your settings app, scroll down, head towards the option of phone. Once you find it, open it. Now over here you're gonna find different options. Click on the option of silence unknown callers. Make sure you have toggle off for this option. Likewise, head back, open this option block contacts. Make sure you haven't accidentally blocked any of the contact. When you block someone, you won't receive phone calls, messages, email or FaceTime. Once you check these settings, you will be good to go. Likewise, what you can do is give a fresh restart to your device. For that, head back to the main page of settings, open the option of general, scroll all the way down, click on shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix incoming call busy problem on iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.